Today, banks are making more than $2 billion each year from your and my money. Let me tell you the story about how that happened. Firstly, let's wind back to when COVID hit New Zealand and the world. Interest rates were already low, but the reserve banks the world over lowered interest rates to almost zero. Now, of course, we've all got money sitting in our transaction accounts, which we need so as we can pay our bills and so on. But that total amount of money in those transaction accounts today is 44 billion. It was a bit lower pre-COVID, but it's grown to 44 billion. Why is that? Because, hey, you earn nothing on that. And when interest rates were really low, it didn't matter. But today, after 11 rate hikes by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, the interest rate, the official cash rate, is now 5.25%. So let's just do the maths. $44 billion, 5.25%, that's $2.3 billion our New Zealand banks are making with our money sitting in transaction accounts. So what can you do to get your share of that $2.3 billion? Well, the first thing is to see how much money is sitting in your transaction account. If it's more than about $1,000, then you should think about moving it to an account that does pay interest. So what are the options? Well, at the banks, there are really two key options if you need your money on call. There are strings attached savings accounts where you have to, for example, make a deposit and no withdrawals to get the maximum interest rate. There are also savings accounts with no strings attached where you can withdraw your money immediately, but the interest rates on those tend to be a bit lower. Or you can lock your money away for longer in a term investment or a notice saver account where you'll often earn 5%. So, a great way to earn back your share of that 2.3 billion. And another option is to invest the money with Squirrel in our call account. No strings attached, on call, and it's invested with one of New Zealand's registered banks directly. So there you have it, the story about how you can claim back a share of the $2.3 billion that is going to the banks and how you can put your share of that back in your pocket.